Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with iqoption. For those of you that are just beginners or just coming into iqoption as a newbie, these are the things you need to know on how to set up your account and how to trade to make profit on iqoption platform. All right, so coming into iqoption for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. If you just sign up, if you don't have an account, you can sign up with the link in description of this video. Then you can download the app, the software application on your PC, and then I usually use the software application. So iqoption is one of the brokers that have a software application that you can use to trade. All right, so you're gonna see a few things popping on your screen, but I'm gonna take you through all of them. So here is the side buttons. This is your trade history. This is your trade portfolio. If you have a running trade, this one is an alert. If you want to set an alert, and if the price comes there, it's going to notify you. And then these ones are promo, and then more. So I modified my own to the way I want my interface to look like. So that's the here it's where you select pairs. If you want to take any trade, you can select the pair. I usually trade and I advise that you trade a pair that has at least 80% payout and above. So you can choose there to take 80% trades and above. So here is where you select balance to select your okay. So here is where you select the amount. If you want to take any trade, you put an amount there, and here is where you select your time. You can trade for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and all that. And here you can see you can choose between practice account and between real account. All right, so on this settings I have used the hide account balance feature. Why? Because I've taken a lot of money out. But why? Because if I'm trading and I'm looking at my balance, sometimes it makes me emotional. And as a beginner, yes, you need to have a good money management. But if you're trading and you're focused on your money or you're focused on your balance, you tend to be emotional when you're trading. So you might be looking at your balance. Is my balance coming down or is my balance going up? That's a very good secret I discovered. So I usually love keeping my balance hidden so that if I'm trading, I'm focused on the chart. I'm focused on what the market is telling me. I'm not focused on how much am I making or how much am I losing, so I don't get emotional. And then here you can use dark theme or white theme. So you see, you use dark theme or white theme, but I'm just gonna go with the dark. And then so first thing you want to do is to put this on candles and then 1 minute. So you learn to analyze the market with candlesticks. For those of you that don't know how to analyze the market with candlesticks or how the candlestick works, that's why my mentorship program is there. My January mentorship program is currently ongoing. Registration is still ongoing. You can join and then you get a detailed explanation on how to understand the market structure, how to analyze and see good signals, and how to take good trades so you don't come and start losing money on the platform. Okay, so once I put my candlesticks, and then this is 1 minute. This 1 minute is telling you that every candle here runs for 1 minute. So this one 1 minute, this one 1 minute. So every candle here runs for 1 minute. If you put it on 5 minutes, it's saying that for every candle that closes here, it took 5 minutes to form. All right, so that's what it means. And those are the necessary things that you need to know. So after knowing how the interface works, the next thing is to Okay, so the next thing is to be able to analyze the market, to take some trades. So like I said, you can trade for 1 minute, for any amount of expiry time and all that. So this is where you select horizontal line to analyze the market. You can analyze the market with lines. Like I said, you have to know how the market really works before you start doing all that. All right, so I could just draw my levels that will act as key levels, probably for reversal or kind of like support and resistance levels, and those are going to help me to analyze. So in terms of deposit, how to deposit into the platform, I've made a video on the best deposit and withdrawal method. I'll put the link in the description of this video. You can check it out. All right, so these are the necessary things that you need to know as a beginner on how to trade an iqoption. So let me just take one trade and show you how I analyze the market. So one thing I used to do, I tend to select a good market. Most of the time, once I come in here, I want to pick a good market, because once you get good market, you get good result. If you take a bad market, or if you trade a bad market, you tend to get bad result, and that's just the way it works. So I'm trying to see the market that is good here that I can trade. You don't want to trade a market that has too many weeks. All right, so I'm seeing this Euro USD as a good market. We're getting some good bias entry. So since I'm getting some good bias entry here, I could be able to take a trade. All right, so I could be able to buy that. Oh, I wanted to buy, sorry, I was not fast enough. So let me wait for the close. This candle is going to take 1 minute to form. Oh wow, you can see it just reversed. I was lucky there. So one thing about trading, you have to observe the market every point in time. You have to be analyzing, knowing what the market is doing, where is it going to, where is it coming from. You have to always observe everything in the chart. All right, so because of that huge drop, I can't buy again. I would have to wait if I take the next signal. All right, so I've been observing the market. I had to select another pair, which is Euro JPY. I've just marked out some good levels, so I want to start trading, but I've not seen a good signal. So one thing about trading, you have to be patient. You have to be patient while trading. If you don't have a good signal, don't trade. All right, when you have a good signal, that's when you can risk your money. That's why a lot of people lose, and they think the problem is from my option. No, if you don't have a good signal, don't risk your money. If you have a good signal, that's when you trade. But how do you trade when you don't even know how the market works, or you don't have a good knowledge or understanding about the chart? So that's why you have to seek mentorship. So don't just rely on YouTube videos. You have to seek mentorship so you can confidently learn how to trade and take good trades. All right, so I'm going to be taking a trade now so you can see how it works. So here the market is giving some good signs of sellers. I'm going to sell. So I took a sell there. Why? Because you can see this candle is good, looking good for sellers to come in. So that was why I took it straight for 1 minute, breaking the next candle, and I'm expecting the market to sell. It has already dropped very well, so I think that would be a win for me. All right, the candle is halfway gone. You can see from the level I marked, that was where sellers were coming from. So you have to learn how to mark and draw levels. those are going to support your analysis. Because some persons, they just come here and they start trading ignorantly. They don't know how the market works. They don't know the ins and outs of the market algorithm. So that's why you lose. All right, perfect. That was a beautiful trade. I won. You can see I've made almost $5 today. I could take 3 trades and that's $15 as a beginner. That's fine. It's just that my account balance is small. I've made a lot of withdrawals, but I used to have about $1,000 plus, so I could take a trade of $50, and you just make consistent money, get financial freedom, make money from your home, and make money online. So that's that. I just wanted to show you how a trade works. You can see, because I was using 1 minute candle and I could analyze the candlesticks. So there's more to it. Don't just rely on YouTube videos. I would advise you sign up for the mentorship. Join is a lifetime mentorship. I'm going to take you where you are from where you ought to be to become a consistent trader. And remember, I usually give out signals to my mentorship students so that they are going to still make money while learning. That's a beautiful experience, and I hope you join it. So till next time, I wish you all the very best. Good luck with trading. Peace. Bye for now.